Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia and I'm really happy to have you here today with me because today I have a favorite video. I did my first monthly favorite video in January and I also said then that I might not do this favorite every month because I don't have every month new products or products that I rediscover and I love, but I felt that during those 2 months I collected a pile of the products that I really love and enjoy using them, and I said why I will not sit here and share them with you. At the end I also have a fail item, and also I will show you one favorite item which is not beauty related, but it makes my mornings to be more beautiful and I wake up for this basically. I will start first with a eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadow palette that I mostly love and enjoy during those 2 months, and is a great discovery for me, it is the Urban Decay On The Run eyeshadow palette. I have it in the shade Detour and I reviewed this palette on my channel. I will also link that video on the info card if you want to check that out. But I really love the quality, the pigmentation and the versatility of this palette. I will not go deep into the details, but if you want to check and see the review of this palette, just go and check that video. I have another eye product which I really enjoyed using on the past month, and it is the Benefit roller liner. I love how black, matte, precise and long lasting it is, this eyeliner. I love the applicator and the fact that you are able to create a very easy and sharp wing line without too many strokes, so it's really good even for beginners. Just I find for me that from time to time it gets dry, so when I'm using it I need to shake it. But yeah, other than that I really enjoy this product, and I also have a review. If you want to check that out, I will link that video also down below. And keeping on the eye area, I want to mention that I really love and enjoy this Catrice Slimatic Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. I have mine in shade soft brown, I think. I'm not able to find it. Yeah, because it was the shade on the cap and it's almost deleted, but I'm pretty sure it is soft brown. So it's that kind of the brow pencil that has in one end has a good spoolie, and on the other eye, on the other end you have your product. Mine it's almost finished, but I love how good the combination of the product it is not too waxy, is not too creamy, so it is in between. And I also use this together with the other favorite, I think this was also in my January favorite video, the Colourpop Precision Brow Pencil. I have it in the shade Taupe. For this I also have a backup. I have 2 backups of it, but yeah, I really love those. I will swatch them. I'm not sure if you are able to see. Yeah, so the darker one it is the Catrice and the lighter one it is the Colourpop. So I love using this as I define my brow shape here down, and also in this starting from the arch of the brow toward the end, and then I will come with the Daupe, Taupe, and I will fill in this area, and also I will define till the half of the brow to the arch. And basically I feel that I have more natural brows while I'm using this method, and I also am wearing this on my brows today, and I really love how they are turning out. But I need to repurchase this because it's almost gone. For my foundation, I have a foundation which is not really foundation but technical foundation. It is the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Oil-Free Matte. I have it in the shade Light. This shade is a bit darker for me at this moment, but I like the tone that is not too orangey, it is not too peachy. I think it's more on the neutral side, which I really prefer for my skin tone. Now we are entering into the spring and summer, and I will start to use self-tan on my face so it will match me much better. So yeah, I cannot wait to use this foundation during the summer because it keeps me matte all day. I will keep you updated if this is the case also in summer, because on summer I tend to sweat a bit more and I also produce more oil. So I want to see how this product is acting on the summer. Next product, it is a powder from Makeup Forever, and I'm speaking only about the contour powder. So this powder, guys, this is the softest, more easy to use and easy to blend powder contour that I have seen. I think something in similar texture. It is this butter bronzer from Physicians Formula, but for this I have the shade Light, and it's a bit too light for me, but I feel they have quite similar texture. But this powder, it is my holy grail bronzer. I really enjoy and do not regret splurging on this product. It's matte, I forgot to tell you that it's matte. It is exactly as my contour powder needs to be, matte. Next foundation that I recently discovered and I wasn't expecting to love it so much, it is the Colourpop No Filter Stick Foundation, and I am on the shade Fair 27 Neutral. I will swatch this beside the It Cosmetics just to see how it looks in comparison with that one. But I really love the texture and how it applies. If I'm using a pore filling primer, then my face looks like it is Photoshop. Otherwise it tends to set in my pores. So just keep in mind, if you have more large pores like I have, just use a filling primer and then you can use this, and it's really beautiful. And it's also long wearing. I was not expecting to last so long on my face, but I use it with this HD Active Performance SPF 30 primer, but they are really working well together. Moving forward, and speaking about concealer, I have a setting powder. It is from by Thierry and is their Hyaluronic Hydra powder. Mine is in travel size. It is really expensive. The full size, I think it's around £40 or so. I also saw it in my local Sephora. I ordered mine either from Look Fantastic or from Cult Beauty, but I want to say, guys, that this powder with any concealer gives me the perfect coverage, the perfect setting, and I feel that it's helping my concealer not crease so quickly. Of course, if the concealer is not good, it will still break through at some point. But yeah, I really love this product. Also, I have a powder. So this happened to be also in travel size, but it's a larger size comparing with this one. Here you have 4 grams, comparing with here, on by 3 you only get 1.4 grams, if I'm not wrong, 1.5 grams. So, returning to this powder from Cover FX, I have it in a shade Translucent Light, and I really love this powder for setting my entire face. I've used it before also on my under eye area. It's good. I prefer that one because I feel that I have a bit long-lasting concealer while I'm using the Hydra powder from Decay, but for my face it's really perfect. And I love the fact that it has this locker to keep your powder not spread around your cap. So every time after I use it, I close it and it's saved, and also you can travel with it without any problem. Now I have a few lippies that I need to share with you. First, it is the Urban Decay 24/7 lip pencil. I have it in the shade Ladyflower and I'm using today. And basically this is your pink, but it's not that bright pink, it's more on the neutral shade. So I have it today, and I'm also wearing this gloss on the top from Urban Decay. It's called Obsessed. I love this combo. This is the kind of the gloss that is, it has some minty feel to it, so while you are applying on your lips you feel a cool mint scent, but is really hydrating, is not sticky at all, and I feel that it lasts a long amount of time on my lips. I really love Urban Decay glosses. And speaking about lippies, I have a lipstick from Bobbi Brown. It is a travel size and I got it in my ASOS beauty box that I got a few months ago. I think it was in November or so. And I just love this shade, guys. I suck on describing shades. It is somehow matching with the lip liner, so it's this one. But on my lips, oh my god, it is so flattering. I can also wear it without any liner and it's still looking beautifully. So I really love the texture, the quality of the Bobbi Brown lipsticks. And finally, I have rediscovered my Kat Von D liquid lipstick. This is really red and it is on the shade Bachelorette. Yeah, so this is dry down matte, but it's really comfortable, long wearing liquid lipstick. I love Kat Von D formula. I have another lipstick from them, Lolita, but I found that Lolita is a bit too dark for my skin tone, and sometimes I even mix those two together and it came out a strange combination. But yeah, as a red lipstick, even it is more toward magenta, I feel that if I'm not wearing any makeup, just mascara and this lipstick, I don't need other makeup on my face. It will fill everything that is missing. So now I will show you the product that is not beauty related, but is my favorite thing in the morning. Ta-da! Ladies and gentlemen, this is my coffee. Yes, I really love this coffee from Chibo. Here I have it on the beans form. I even don't think so that they are selling this as grinded. I'm not sure if you have this brand of coffee in America. Chibo is a German coffee brand. They also have coffee shops and they are selling some other stuffs besides coffee, but I really love this coffee. It is creamy. I don't drink my coffee with milk. I prefer it black and with sugar, but this is so creamy, and this is for express machine, so I love it. I love it. I drink like at least 2 cups a day, but I enjoy it. And if you not see me on my channel, probably I will be out on this hospital of drinking too much coffee and raising my blood pressure, because I think from at least 3 months I'm addicted to this coffee. And what I love about this bag, it is that it has this lid here, so you can open it and you dispense the coffee beans. on your grinder, you can put the cap and you are good to go. And now I have the fails. I have two products. I thought that I have one, but now I see that I put here beside me another product. I have this concealer from Makeup Revolution called Conceal and Define. Guys, I bought this because everybody was raving at some point that is it a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape. For the Tarte Shape Tape. I have it in the shade C3. This is the most awful concealer for me. It is creases really bad, and it is gone by the end of the day. Not by the end of the day, by the half of the day it's gone. It creases and then it's just disappearing. So when I'm using this, I look like I'm 30 years older than I'm really at this point. So for me this is not working, and I also want to have a little bit of disclaimer. If some product is not working for me, this doesn't mean that it's not working for you, because I know some of you are really loving this product. So this is not working for me. And I have one other product to show you as a fail. I just remind about this, I almost use it completely. It is the La Roche-Posay SPF 30. I really hate this product. First of all, it is that kind of white product, and when you apply on your face you can feel that you have SPF, because your face it's basically a bit whiter. But if I'm using with some cream, some jelly formula cream, I have my Clinique Moisture Surge cream. I cannot use that cream on the morning. Together it will rub, it will be like crunches of the SPF and that cream on my face. So I just need after that to redo my moisturizer. It's sad because I really love the La Roche-Posay products, but this is for me a dud. I think we finished. This is all that I had for my March and February favorite. So I hope you enjoy watching this video, and please also let me know in your comments down below which are the products that you loved more on this month, on the March. And also please let me know what is your favorite product that you had on this month. Also you can follow me on my social media, and also please don't forget to check the videos that I have here on the corner. And other than that, I will see you on my next one.